family, part 2. Now I'm trying to figure out how I can get this thing in my basket. I don't know how much it weighs, but uh, perfectly in here. How can I do this? Oh, jeez, bugs. Oh, what in the world? Customer service people gonna be better. I don't understand. Oh. All right, fam. Check it out. Yeah, I got it in there. I got it in here, but I just can't believe these people left this box in my driveway like that. I just can't believe that. Well, I'm happy I got this cart. Oh boy, y'all have no idea. I don't know. I had to pull the car back here, then try to get it. So this is my 20-gallon water heater. It's gonna go in the kitchen cabinet, and I got the other stuff that's needed to hook it up. Whew. So, yeah. Y'all, I worked out in my yard today. Let me tell you what. I was sweaty as I can be. I was really, really sweaty. But, show y'all. Sun setting. Look at beautiful trees. Just really love looking at the trees, fall color trees. I just love it. I went over here and picked up some trees and branches, busted up branches and things over here. Oh my, wait a minute, hold on, my finger's in the way. Where's the camera? Oh my God. Yeah, I got this thing turned upside. Sorry, it was upside down the whole time. This is not gonna make a good video. Y'all gonna be looking at me like I don't know what's wrong with her. So I pulled some, there goes a little stack of debris or whatever I raked over here. Pulled some of the branches that was down over here. I didn't pull on that long right there, but and I pulled on those longs right there in the corner, down right there. I pulled those out, and see all that over there. It looks like it's been cut down. You see my little wood stack. I'm gonna call it the burning stack, and that little the tree that's cut up right there. I'm pulling that out, and I'll put them on the. Yeah, I don't even know how I'm gonna get this thing inside this place. Them some jackrabbits that delivered this here. They were wrong for that. Oh, you just wait, cause I'm gonna contact Federal Express and let them know. I may have a private sign up there. They still can come because I got packages coming. Bring it to my door. You know. Whew. Yeah. See the little fresh cut area right here. I chopped on that today, and over here where those logs are down, one log right there, that's coming from the same part of those right there. And so I chopped down all this tall grass. My goal is to chop all those tall grass down, and whatever trees that have been chopped up in that, I'm gonna put them on that burn pile right there. Put that on the pile. And once I get that done, then some branches over there, I'll work on that stuff. Or, it's better yet, waiting for a phone call from the guy that can get this stuff done for me. Trash bag on top of the car. I got to buy me a trash can. I had to take all my stuff out of my cot to bring my to get my water heater. Well, I tell you what, I'm so grateful that I bought this thing. I'm just really, really grateful. I'm happy that I made the decision to buy it. But I tell you, these things be packed up. I don't know what kind of package they be doing, but anyway. Oh, okay, how am I gonna roll this? I can roll it from the second step and roll it up to the first step and then roll it on inside. Let me turn my cord around so I can put the tail to the door and back in. And y'all, I'm not a good cart driver. I don't know if I'm... I need just a little bit more. All right, family. I'm not going to take y'all through all of this here. Unless you just want to see it. I don't have nothing to stand my phone on. Let me see. I'm trying to stand the phone on the car. Okay. All right. All right, family. Let's see how this works out. Man, I tell you, this I'm gonna complain. Trust me. This box feel like it's 99 years old. It's not sturdy. It's just feel like it's old as hell. I'm assuming it is, but I don't listen on it. But this thing better be in good shape. Look at y'all, even got holes in here. It's like, what is this about? Why do people just pack up anything and send to you? This was not, what's this thing? 400? Yeah, you know, everything got a 400 mark to it. I ain't bought nothing that's cost less than $400 dealing with this plate. Let's put my cart just a little closer, and I'm gonna try to roll it out. Workers. They could have brought this thing to my place like they been doing. I don't know why they did this. Look at the boxes busting. The box feels old. This paper on this box feels like it's old. Shaking up some stuff. Family. Ooh, I'm disappointed with Federal Express. Oh, I'm hitting my car. I'm disappointed with Federal Express. Wait, this thing. Right. This is not on here, right? I had to go get my hot water heater from the front of the driveway. From the entrance part of my driveway is where those scalawags left my heater, hot water heater. They did not bring my hot water heater to my front door. I've been sitting here all day waiting for my hot water heater to come in. Now I'm going to take this here. All over again, reorganize my tarp on here. Reorganize the tarp so I can cover these stuff up here. These tarps truly come in handy. And this is like I think it's called 9 mil. As in the thickness, it's real thick. Let me make sure my thing is, and y'all, when I leave from the house, wait, I don't think this, okay, it didn't look like it was setting right. When I leave from the house, I'll bring my